Hey everyone, what is going on? Today on the Caliber, I got these Poly exhaust hangers. We're going to try them out on the Caliber because the short ones that I bought, the rubber, the muffler still makes noise. In fact, I think it's a little worse sometimes. So I'm going to grab a knife to cut the new old rubber ones off, and then I'm going to put these Poly ones on. I'm going to drive it over the weekend and see what happens. Also, mess with the Stratus a little bit. That is the OEM bumper. Might be doing something with that. Keep you guys posted on it later. So, put the muffler down here to support the, you got the jack out here to support the muffler, I mean. Found out the heat shield for the muffler had come loose. So you can see there's one of the rubber ones. I'm gonna cut that off, replace it with Poly, and then we'll get it on the other side. So I got my knife because getting these off is always easier with a knife. So got the passenger side off first, just taking off the last of the driver's side, and I didn't get the center yet. I'm not too worried about the center right now. I want to get the muffler from hitting the tow hook to stop. So once I get this last little bit to break, I guess I didn't cut it all the way through. So to go back on, you got to do the driver's side first because the hangers are opposite, and on the passenger side, I'll show you when I do that one. They face the same way. So now we got to lube this and get them pressed on there, which I'm probably gonna need both hands to do. Something I forgot to do on the first one, but I'm doing it on the other side, is find something to lubricate these a little bit with, like a little bit of oil, WD-40, just to slip them on, because if your exhaust is a little rusty, you're gonna fight with it like I just did. So make sure you put a little bit of lube in here to get them on a little easier. So got the ones on the muffler in. As you can see, I'm shaking it pretty hard. I cannot get that to hit. So I'm hoping that this is the fix. And I'm just gonna drive it over the weekend and let you guys know what happens. Like I said, I'm not concerned about the one in the center because I'm doing this because the exhaust hits the tow bar. So pick this up Monday. Let you guys know how it went over the weekend, but I'm pretty sure the clunking is gone because I can barely move this thing. It's nice and stiff. So if this works, I think I might have to do this on the Stratus because I think that exhaust is knocking a little bit. So see you when we pick this back up. So drove around all weekend, drove downtown to the World of Wheels, drove shopping, my normal route over train tracks and stuff. No more banging on the exhaust. The Poly exhaust hangers work great, and there's no any excess interior noise. It sounds the same as with the rubber mounts. So definitely a good investment. I'll leave the link to where I got those on eBay below for the Caliber, and I'm sure they have them for other cars too. So hope you like this little Caliber update. Until next time.